Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to Mr. Prepper, and let's get a going on this real quick. Let's grab this stuff back in my inventory. Actually, let's see what this is all about. Ah, that's how we learn how to do that. I need wood. Need chicken feeder. Let's pull chicken back into my inventory. Pretty sure that's gonna cause me a bit of havoc. There we go. So let's go ahead and dismantle these two. And my chickens and everything's set up. I think what this is gonna force me to do is actually go to the farm more often to go collect wheat and seeds and stuff. So let's go ahead and craft that. I think for now I'm going to stick them down here. Don't know what I'm going to do with the darn things, but okay. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and stick them right here with my other things. There we go. Let's also stick this right next to them. Alright, got two birds for now. Oh, it wants more light. Oh, that works. Alright, you lot stay there. At least they can't go climb ladders. Alright, stick light back in here. Stick that there. Burn in the midnight oil. Alrighty. So the birds are doing their thing down here. Let's grab a little bit of a munch before heading to bed. Oh wait, I forgot to sell those. Let's cook that up. Don't think I can cook those, but let's cook that. Yeah. Let's go ahead and open that and toss the bird in there. Yeah. Check the calendar on my way. Got a little over a week for the next interaction with the guy. Alright. I can't. Nothing. Nada. Nope. Huh. Setting belt by those legs. Alright. Birds are napping. Can't seem to sell the eggs. I was really hoping to do that. Okay, put eggs away, put carrots away, keep that. I think tomorrow we're gonna run over to the fields and see if we can find that darn dog. Alright, inspection over, fantastic. Finish with the farmer, then I can start doing my own shenanigans by myself with my chickens. Oh, that's right. Let's wait for that guy while he's doing his thing. Open that up. Let's eat my roasted chicken, which maxed me out. Fantastic. Let's take that. Alright, male guy. How much money did you bring me? Nice. Let's take all that. Oh, my weight's a bit out of control. Let's find a place to stash all of my weight, wherever that's coming from. Alright, so I need a... Oh, that's right. And the water, I forgot. The water weighs a lot. There we go. Now I got room in my inventory. Let's go chasing this dog. Come on. Tell me if he gives me a few goats, I'm gonna be a little ticked off. Because I got no room for goats. Ooh, yes. Fantastic. You know, old man, you can always be doing this rather than having me do it. Yeah, you're angry, you're angry. Full. I'm energized. Should have just brought some food with me while I was thinking about it, but not to worry about it at the moment. I'll have to start growing corn when I can. Or sunflowers. But I'm going to need more growing space as it is. Granted, I don't know what to do with the eggs I do got. I suppose this keeps them from dying on me. Now let's go down. Last time I got almost got beat by rats this time. I say I almost got eaten by wolves. Instead I got rats. I get nothing from the rodents. Except for a waste of energy. Seen something somewhere, but he didn't have a bush by him. Oh, on my way to the lake. Alright, nice. Hey, I unlocked the lake. Fantastic. Oh, I missed that conversation. Opening soon. I'm guessing that's a maze. That'll let me quick travel. Oh, and I can fish. Nice. There's the dog. Really? I found the dog and now I can't. Alright. If my guy's bad with dogs, I'm gonna be angry. Let's go back to the farm. At least I don't need to trek through the fields again. Alright, well, let's ask you about this silly dog.
Hey.
I don't think I got any rat meat while I was there, did I? Nope, no rat meat, so guess that means I need to tramps through the fields anyhow. Try to track down some rodents. Alrighty everybody, I'm gonna actually have to call it here, so we'll chase down some rats in the next one. Bye!